Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy chicken fry recipe. In 30 minutes we can serve crispy chicken fry. We can have this delicious fried chicken along with any type of food or even just with tomato ketchup. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2-inch size ginger, some curry leaves, half teaspoon Garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon Coriander powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon Cumin Powder, 3 tablespoon curd. Grind it into a paste. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken, add the grinded paste. Add 2 tablespoon Besan flour, 2 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Keep marinated for at least 2 hours. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. Deep fry the marinated chicken pieces for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our crispy chicken fry is ready. The recipe is very simple and quick one. Have it soon after frying for the best taste and crispiness. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.